Hello dear friends, welcome back to Math with Amila. Let's move to grade 9 chapter 1. Kindly go through the previous videos for exercise problems and concepts. Here is laws of exponents of real numbers. I have taken some numbers for the power of power and also for the division and also for the multiplication. Here 5 square whole raised to 7 is power for power. Here a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Next one is the division a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, which is actually 23 cube. Now 7 cube into 9 cube is actually we know a into b whole cube. So that is 63 cube. Let's represent all these laws in the general format. So what are the laws? The first one, a raised to m into a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m plus n. M plus n. Then second one, a raised to m whole raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m into n, a raised to mn. Third one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. And there is a condition, m must be greater than n. Otherwise negative will come and it will be moving to the reciprocal format. Next, a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab whole raised to m. There is only difference in the AB and M is common. Next is nth root of A. I have added this also in this section. Nth root of A can be represented like A raised to 1 by n, where A greater than 0. For example, let's take square root, that is A raised to 1 by 2. Cube root, A raised to 1 by 3. Okay. Let us take A greater than 0 and let it be a real number. And P and Q are rational numbers. So I have given here 2 raised to 1 by 3, 2 raised to 1 by 2. Here 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 are P and Q respectively, which means we are giving the power as a rational number or the fraction. Here we can have the same kind of general laws when the powers are rational. A raised to P into a raised to Q is equal to a raised to P plus Q. Likewise, a raised to P whole raised to Q is equal to a raised to PQ. A raised to P divided by a raised to Q is equal to a raised to P minus Q. A raised to P into B raised to P is equal to AB whole raised to P. Let's move to exercise 1.5. Here we have to find the exponential forms where the exponents are rational numbers or fractions. First question, 64 all raised to 1 by 2. We know that 64 can be written like 8 into 8. That means 8 square. 8 square whole raised to 1 by 2. Which is equal to 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2, which is of the form a raised to m whole raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m into n. So we can write 8 raised to 1, that is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. That is 8 raised to 1 is 8 itself. Next we can have a general format which we will use in this exercise mostly. That is the nth root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by n. Second part of the first question, 32 whole raised to 1 by 5. 32 can be written like 2 raised to 5. That is 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 1 by 5 is equal to 2 raised to 5 by 5. That is 2 raised to 1 equal to 2. Here also we can give the same exponential law that we have given for the previous one. Third question, 125 whole raised to 1 by 3. 125 is the cube of some number, or you can assume it like cube of some number. So actually it is the cube of 5. So 5 cube whole raised to 1 by 3. So you can make the exponent as 1. 5 raised to 3 by 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 1, that is 5. Okay. Now let's move to the next part or the second question. Question number 1 is 9 raised to 3 divided by 2. For such questions you need to recall the law like a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Here we have 9 raised to 3 by 2. Let's represent this 9 as the power of some numbers. So 3 square. 3 square whole raised to 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 power 2 into 3 by 2. That is 3 raised to 6 by 2, or you can cancel the 2's and you will get 3. That is 3 cube. Answer is 27. Here the thing that we are doing here is making the numerator and denominator same in the exponent. Next is 32 raised to 2 by 5. Let's represent 32 as the power of 2. So you will get 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 2 by 5 which is equal to 2 raised to 5. You can cancel the 5s and you will get 2 square, that is 4. Third question, 16 raised to 3 by 4. That is equal to 4 square. Actually this is 4 square, but we need something which should be cancelled in the exponent. So let's take this 4 square into 2 raised to 4. We know that 4 square and 2 raised to 4 are 16. So let's take 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4. That's equal to 2 raised to 4. That is, you can just cancel the 4s. You will get 3. Then 2 raised to 3. Answer is 8. 2 cube is 8. Next, the fourth one. In the fourth one, you have 125 raised to minus 1 by 3. That is, you are having a negative rational on the exponent. 125 raised to minus 1 by 3. So, let's have a rule here. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Okay. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Hence, a raised to minus 1 by m will be actually 1 divided by a raised to 1 by m. But here we have to do the 125 raised to minus 1 by 3 as the same method that we were using for the before. Okay, using earlier. 125 can be written like some number raised to 3. Which is that number? 5. 5 cube raised to minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 3 into minus 1 by 3. That is 5 raised to minus 1. You can write it like 5 raised to minus 1 or a raised to minus m can be written like 1 by a raised to m or 1 by 5 raised to 1, that is 1 by 5 itself. The third question is to multiply and divide the rational powered numbers. First part is 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Let's add the same like a raised to p into a raised to q, which is equal to a raised to p plus q. That is 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. 2 raised to 10 plus 3 by 15. Answer is 2 raised to 13 by 15. Second question, 1 by 3 cube whole raised to 7. So you have to take the 7 towards both numerator and denominator. Numerator is just 1, but the denominator is a powered number. Let's take 1 by 3 cube whole raised to 7 into 1 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 3 into 7 or whole raised to 7. That is actually 3 cube whole raised to 7. You can write it like 3 raised to 3 into 7. The law that you are applying here is a by b whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. M is common for both numerator and denominator, and a and b are different. Here 1 and 3 cube are different. Likewise, you can write 1 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 3 into 7. 1 by 3 raised to 21, 3 raised to minus 21. You can write it also like 1 by 3 raised to 21. That is a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Third question, 11 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to 1 by 4. The law we apply here is a raised to p by a raised to q is equal to a raised to p minus q. That is 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 11 raised to 4 minus 2 by 8, 11 raised to 2 by 8 or 1 by 4, 11 raised to 1 by 4. This is the answer for third part. The fourth question, that is the last part of this chapter, 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. You can visibly note that here 7 and 8 are different, but the exponent or the powers are same, 1 by 2. 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2 can be related to the law of exponent a raised to p into b raised to p, which is equal to ab whole raised to p. That is 7 into 8 whole raised to 1 by 2, 56 whole raised to 1 by 2. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for chapter number 2 of grade 9. Don't forget to clear your doubts through comments.